Hello, welcome back to the channel. This week I'm restoring this Ford Corsair by Matchbox. I say this week, I actually started this project at the start of May in 2020, so it's been half done sitting in my garage for over a year, and I felt it was about time that I actually finished it. This is a nice example of the casting with playwear. It's been bashed a few times at the front, so the grille section will need some attention. Time to drill the base with a 3mm drill bit. This was back when I put the cars in a vise, but I just hold them still on the table these days. Disassembling the car, you can see it uses a plastic tension bar to act as a suspension. Now that I've primed the casting, the defects on the front can be clearly seen. So I'll be using some Humbrol filler. It dries super fast, so I'm applying with a clear tool. I only need a tiny amount, as you can see. I'm removing most of it and just sanding into shape. So for the Ford Corsair, I wanted to make like a pistachio green colour. I wanted to go for quite a nice classic colour. I made that with the remnants of a pot of white, about 10 or 12 drops of NATO green, the XF67, and about 4 or 5 drops of the lemon yellow. And I don't know if you can tell that, but it's like a very mild pistachio kind of like colour, so I'll be using that. And I recently got myself a new airbrush because my old one is broken and has been for quite some time, but my wife got me a new Iwata airbrush, so I'll be using that for the first time. Looks like quite a nice one. yeah, I'll get that hooked up and we'll spray the car. Alright, so the paint has had some time to cure. However, I do feel that it is a bit too pale still, so I'm going to mix a bit more paint, do another coat in a darker green, just to give it a bit more of a pistachio style. I asked my wife what colour she thought it was, what she thought of the colour, and she just said, yeah, it looks like a nice white colour. It's like, okay, yeah, that's... And there you go, right next to some white kitchen roll. It's just a bit too pale. So, mixing a bit more paint and add another coat. Alright, so it's time to put it all together. So let's put the suspension in the bottom of the interior. This goes on top of there. And we've got the repro glass to go in. It's got a handy arrow facing forwards. There we go. And we could put this on the base. Alright, there we have it. The Ford Corsair from Matchbox complete. Got the pistachio paint job, polished the base and cleaned everything up. Got new lights on it in the details, new windscreen and a repro roof rack with the boat. I do hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, and I really appreciate everyone watching my videos. Until next time, take care everybody.